It's just 3 words. But they tell you everything that you need to know. They tell you why we employ over 500 workers at our factory in Washington State, why there are over 1,000 dealers all across this nation, why we have the most advanced fireplace technology, where quality and hard work never come up short, to encourage the next big dream. Built to last and passed down to the next generation. 3 words you can always count on. And we are proud to say still, after 40+ years, made in America. Lopi and fireplace sets. Visit the largest outlet in the country right here in Connecticut, Dean's Stove and Spa, the East Coast House of Fire.